Hello everyone. I'm sure all of you are excited for tomorrow's trading session. So, in line with the multi-bagger jackpot stocks that I'd given on Thursday, I'm going to be giving you three very interesting trading opportunities for Monday. So, let's get started. First stock that we're going to talk about is Bajaj Auto. As you can see, it's crossed a major support point near 2940. Pivot point analysis reveals that the pivot for tomorrow's open is roughly around 2970. You can also see here that there is a major supply zone which has been formed, taking the bullish candle before the primary bearish trend which happened in February, and the base of this supply zone is roughly around 3140, which is going to be our target price. So my recommendation for tomorrow is that if it opens greater than 2940, I'd suggest that you buy it near 2960 and sell it at 3140. Now this is a positional trade and not an intraday trade, so I'd recommend that you hold it for about a week. And the return, as you can see over here, is around 6%. Not bad for a week's work, is it? The warning that I'm going to give you is that if it opens below 2870, you should avoid it. Now, why am I saying 2870? Because this is a 21 period moving average. Okay, so, and also coincidentally close to the 200 EMA. 200 EMA is a proxy for the average price of a stock over a year because there are 200 trading days in a year. So if it goes below this, it's going to really turn bearish. So let's move on to the next stock. This is Voltas, which is a very popular white goods company in India. And this trade that I'm going to tell you is a day trade, not a positional trade. So my recommendation is that if it opens tomorrow above 550, you should buy it at close to 555 and exit it at 565. Now, why am I saying 565? Because as you can see here, this is the base of the supply zone, which is formed for the secondary downward movement, taking the last bullish candle before that. So that's roughly 565, 566. So this is a very strong chance that the candle may not be able to break out of this when it reaches here, although it did that yesterday. And the pivot point, as you can see here from analysis, roughly comes out to be around 570, which is again going to be a bit of a resistance. Now the third stock that I'm going to talk about is InfoEdge, which you also know in India as Naukri.com, which is a very popular job portal. My prediction for tomorrow is that if the open is greater than 3030, I would suggest that you buy it near 3050 and exit at 3100. Now, why am I saying 3100? Because roughly 3100, as you can see here, is the high which was formed in February, which is going to act as a very psychological kind of a resistance point. And 3030, the reason I said this is because this is roughly the point of intersection of the primary support line with the candle, with the body of the candle. So opening above this range is going to give a very bullish signal. I will also warn you that if it opens below 2920 and goes below 2840, you're recommended to avoid this stock. Now, why am I saying 2920? Because this is the 10 period EMA. And again, a very strong support point. But an open below this may see it go till the levels of 2140, which is where the 21 EMA lies. And going below this is going to signal a lot of bearishness. So my recommendation to anyone who does not have an explicit intention of short selling the stock, to please avoid the stock if it goes below these ranges. So this concludes the recommendations for Monday. So just to recap, I have told you to put a positional trade on Bajaj Auto, a day trade on Voltas and InfoEdge. So thank you so much, guys. Please leave a like on the video, subscribe and comment. It'll mean a lot to me. Have a great trading session tomorrow.